Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening System Protection because that interface controls restore points. This is the fastest entry. Click Start, type Create a Restore Point, and press Enter. Once the dialog appears, make sure you use an administrator account and accept the UAC prompt if requested. You do this to see protection settings and the Protect on /off state for each drive. This step shows you which drives keep restore points and how much disk space is allocated, so you can safely choose where to act next. Next, remove restore points from the selected drive. In the System Protection dialog, pick the drive and click Configure, then choose Delete to remove all points for that drive. This frees space immediately. If you prefer selective removal, open Disk Cleanup, choose Cleanup System Files, then more options to remove all but the most recent point. For individual snapshots, you need advanced tools or vsadmin commands in an elevated command prompt. Use them only if you understand shadow copies. Finally, reconfigure how much space System Restore can use so new restore points won't fill your disk. Move the slider down and click OK. Once done, verify that restore points were removed by reopening System Protection and checking the listed usage and restore point dates. If you encounter problems, like restore failing or missing settings, run an elevated sfc/scano, check the event viewer for VSS errors, and reboot. Make sure you have a current backup before making further changes to restore settings.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.